Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will guide you through configuration and setup of your Zigbee communication kit. Prior to work, ensure the system is fully de-energized. Turn the inverter on-off switch to the off position. Turn off the DC safety switch and allow DC voltage to bleed down below 50 volts DC before turning off AC power. Once the cover is removed, line up the pins on your Zigbee antenna card and gently depress to install. Connect the provided antenna and secure any excess cable to the side of the communications board. Next, turn on AC power and replace the top cover. Enter the menus with a long hold on OK. Password is up, down, OK, up, down, OK, up, down. Use the down arrow to scroll down to communication and press OK. Press OK to select server. Select Zigbee and press OK. Next, use the down arrow to scroll down to Zigbee config. Verify all settings. Protocol should be set to MPS. Next, load Zigbee defaults. Change the no to a yes by hitting either the up or down arrows and press OK. Default settings loaded. Next, use the back button to back out of the menus. To pair the gateway, press on the red button, hold down for approximately 6 seconds until all lights turn on. Release, and the lights will flash for approximately 5 minutes. During this process, you can use the down arrow to scroll to the server status screen. During the pairing process, the screen will occasionally shift from Gateway Not Found to Master Not Found. Once pairing is complete, Zigbee status will be OK. To verify on the Zigbee gateway, check the link light. The link light should blink once every 5 seconds. At this point, the gateway can be taken inside and plugged into the network. Once the inverter is talking to the internet, the screen will display SOK on both the server status screen and on your main screen. For additional information and access to more in-depth tutorials, go to SolarEdge.com, select Login and e-Learning to get access to the library of SolarEdge learning materials. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.